Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily Flow. It is so wonderful to have you here with us. I am Emma.
And I am Kevin. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining our family today.
Today, we have a very exciting and practical lesson. We are stepping out of the classroom and onto the streets.
Yes, in our last video, we checked out of the hotel. Now, my bags are stored and I am free.
You are free to explore. Today is all about sightseeing.
Sightseeing. That means visiting famous places as a tourist.
But to go sightseeing, you need to know how to find these places. So today, we will learn how to ask for directions.
This is very important. I am terrible with maps. If I don't ask for help, I will get lost forever.
Don't worry, we will learn key phrases like, excuse me, is it far, turn left, and go straight on.
And we will learn about public transport, too. The famous red buses and the tube.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us guide you to better English. So, Kevin, before we start our adventure, I have to ask, how are you doing today? You look a little bit destroyed.
Emma, if I'm honest, I am absolutely finished.
Finished? That sounds bad.
Yes, we just flew to London in our last video. That flight was endless. My back hurts, my feet are swollen.
I know the feeling. Long flights are very tough on the body.
I feel like a zombie walking around. I don't even know what day it is.
That is called jet lag. Your body clock is confused.
Yes, big time. I need fresh air. I need to walk around.
Well, that is perfect because today we are going to walk a lot.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start the story.
Imagine we just walked out of the hotel. We're standing on the busy street in London.
Wow, it is loud. Cars, taxis, buses, honk honk.
Be careful, Kevin. Look at the traffic.
I'm looking left.
No, in London they drive on the left, so you must look right first.
Oh, right. Look right, then left. That is confusing.
Now, where do you want to go?
I want to see Big Ben, the giant clock tower.
Okay, do you know where it is?
I'm looking at the map on my phone, but the blue dot is spinning around. I don't know which way is north.
You look lost already.
I am lost. I need help.
This is the perfect time to ask a stranger.
Ask a stranger? But I'm shy. What if they are rude?
Most people are helpful. Look, there's a lady walking her dog. Go ask her.
Okay, I will try. I walk up to her.
I'll be the stranger.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Sorry to bother you. Could you help me?
I can try. What do you need?
I'm looking for Big Ben. Is it nearby?
Big Ben. Oh, you are quite far away from there.
Really? Can I walk there?
You could walk, but it would take about 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Oh no, my feet are already tired.
I recommend you take the bus. It's much faster and you can see the city.
The bus? That sounds good. Where's the bus stop?
Okay, listen carefully. Go straight on down this road.
Go straight on.
Walk past the supermarket and the post office.
Past the supermarket.
Then at the traffic lights, turn left.
Turn left at the light.
You will see a bus stop called King's Cross. You need the number 11 bus.
Number 11. Does it go to Big Ben?
Yes, it goes right to Westminster. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in London.
She walks away. Whew, that was easy.
You did great, Kevin. You used excuse me and could you help me. That is very polite.
Now I have to follow her instructions.
What did she say first?
Go straight on. That means walk forward.
We walk down the street. We pass the supermarket.
I see the traffic lights, red, yellow, green.
She said turn left.
I turn left. Ah, I see the bus stop. There's a little glass shelter.
We stand at the bus stop. There are other people waiting.
They're standing in a straight line.
That is a queue. In England, queuing is very important. Never cut the line.
I stand at the back of the queue. I wait.
Look, here comes the bus.
Wow, it is huge. It's a bright red double-decker. It has 2 levels.
It's the famous London bus, the number 11.
The bus stops, the doors open, we get on.
Kevin, stop. What are you doing?
I'm taking out my cash. I have coins.
Put your money away. London buses do not accept cash.
What? No cash? How do I pay?
You need an Oyster card or a contactless credit card.
Oh, lucky I have my credit card.
You tap your card on the yellow reader. Beep.
Okay, I paid. Now where do we sit?
Let's go upstairs to the top deck.
I climbed a little winding stairs. I feel like a kid again.
We find 2 seats in the front row.
This is the best view in the world. I am higher than the cars.
The bus starts moving. We drive through the streets.
Look, a red telephone box.
Look, a black taxi cab.
Look, a pub.
You are very excited, Kevin.
The bus drives for about 20 minutes. How do I know when to get off?
Look at the screen on the bus. It says, "Next stop, Westminster."
And look out the window. I see it.
You see what?
The clock tower. It is giant.
Press the stop button. Ding.
The bus stops. We go downstairs. We get off.
Mind the gap.
We are on the pavement. I look up.
This is the Elizabeth Tower. Inside is the famous bell, Big Ben.
It is beautiful. It is gold and brown. I need a photo.
You take a selfie. Click.
But Emma, my arm is too short. I want a picture with my whole body and the tower.
You need to ask someone to take your photo.
Ask a stranger again?
Yes, it is common practice.
Okay, I see a nice couple over there. They have a big camera.
Go ask them. Be polite.
I walk over.
I will play the tourist.
Excuse me.
Hi there.
Sorry to interrupt. Would you mind taking a photo of me?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Just press the big white button on my phone.
Okay, go stand over there.
I run to the railing. I stand in front of Big Ben. I smile. Cheese.
1, 2, 3, click.
Did it come out okay?
Let me check. Yes, it looks great. The lighting is perfect.
Thank you so much.
Would you like one more? Horizontal or vertical?
One horizontal, please.
Okay. Smile. Click.
Thanks a million. Can I take a photo for you guys?
Oh, that would be lovely. Thank you.
I take their photo. We wave goodbye.
That was excellent, Kevin. Would you mind is a perfect phrase.
Now I have proof I was in London.
Where do you want to go next?
I look across the river. I see a giant bicycle wheel. What is that?
That is the London Eye. It is a giant observation wheel.
I want to go there. How do we cross the river?
We need to walk across Westminster Bridge.
We walk onto the bridge. There are so many people.
Be careful, Kevin. Keep your wallet safe.
Why?
Pickpockets like crowded tourist bridges.
I hold my bag tight. I look at the water.
That is the River Thames.
It is very wide and very brown.
We cross the bridge. Now we are at the London Eye.
It is huge. Do we have to buy tickets?
Yes, we go to the ticket office.
I buy 2 tickets. We wait in line.
We get into a glass capsule. It moves very slowly.
We're going up. Emma, look. I can see the whole city.
Look over there. That is Buckingham Palace.
Where the king lives?
Yes, and look over there. That tall, pointy building, that is the Shard.
This is amazing. I can see for miles.
The ride takes 30 minutes. We come back down.
That was fun, but now...
Now what?
My stomach is making noises. Gurgle, gurgle.
You are hungry again?
I am starving. Walking makes me hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want something traditional, real British food.
You must try fish and chips.
Yes, fish and chips. Where can I find it?
We need to find a traditional pub.
A pub? Okay. I don't see any pubs here, just souvenir shops.
Let's ask for directions again, but this time let's ask an expert.
Who is an expert?
Look, there's a police officer.
A policeman? Can I ask him?
Yes, British police are very friendly. We call them bobbies.
Okay. I walk up to him. He has a funny tall hat.
I will be the police officer.
Excuse me, officer.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
I am sorry to bother you. I am looking for a good place to eat.
What kind of food are you after?
I really want to try fish and chips. Do you know a good pub nearby?
A pub? Well, you are in luck. There is a very famous one called the Red Lion.
The Red Lion. Is it far?
Not at all. Do you see that statue of the lion over there?
Yes, I see it.
Walk towards the statue, then take the first turning on the right.
First turning on the right.
Walk about 200 meters. It is on the corner. You can't miss it.
Thank you, officer.
Mind how you go.
Mind how you go. What does that mean?
It means take care or goodbye.
Thanks. Bye.
We follow his directions, walk to the statue, turn right.
Sniff, sniff. I smell something.
What do you smell?
I smell vinegar and fried food.
That is a good sign. Look, there it is, the Red Lion Pub.
It looks very old. It has flowers hanging outside.
We go inside. It is cozy and warm.
We find a table. I wait for the waiter.
Kevin, in a pub, there is no waiter.
What? How do I order?
You must go to the bar to order food and drinks.
Oh, okay. I go to the bar.
The barman looks at you. What can I get you, mate?
Hi, I would like one fish and chips, please.
Standard or large?
Large, please. I'm very hungry.
Anything to drink?
I will have a lemonade.
Right, that will be 16 pounds. Do you want mushy peas with that?
Mushy peas? What are those?
They are peas that are smashed and cooked. It is traditional.
Sure, I'll try the mushy peas.
I pay. I sit down.
10 minutes later, the food arrives.
Wow, look at that fish.
It is giant. It's bigger than the plate. It is golden brown.
And look at the chips.
They are not like McDonald's fries. They're thick and fat.
Yes, in the UK, we say chips. Fries are thin.
And here is the bottle of malt vinegar.
Put some vinegar on the chips.
Shake, shake. Okay. I take a bite. Crunch.
How is it?
It is amazing. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Try the mushy peas.
They look like green paste. Taste? Not bad. Sweet and salty.
I'm glad you like it.
I finish everything. I'm so full I can barely move.
Well, you have to move, Kevin. It's getting late.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m. We need to go back to the hotel to pick up our bags.
Oh, right. Our bags are still at the hotel.
The hotel is far away. We took the bus here.
Should we take the bus back?
No, it's rush hour. The traffic will be terrible.
So how do we get back?
We take the tube.
The tube? You mean the subway?
Yes, the London Underground. We call it the tube.
Okay. I see a station. It has a red circle logo. Westminster Station.
We go down the stairs. Down, down, down.
It feels like going into a cave.
We tap our cards on the gate. Beep, the gates open.
Now, which train do we take?
We need to get to King's Cross, so we need the Victoria line.
I look at the map on the wall. It looks like colorful spaghetti.
Follow the signs for the light blue line, Victoria Line northbound.
We find the escalator. We step on.
Kevin, move to the right.
Why?
In London, this is the most important rule. Stand on the right, walk on the left.
Oh, I see people running past me on the left.
If you stand on the left, Londoners get very angry.
Sorry. I squeeze to the right.
We get to the platform. A train arrives. Whoosh!
It is very loud and windy.
The doors open. We get on. It is crowded.
We have to stand. I hold the pole.
The voice on the speaker says, "Please mind the gap."
Mind the gap. That means be careful of the space between the train and the floor.
Exactly. The train moves fast. It shakes.
5 stops later. The next station is King's Cross St. Pancras.
That's us. We get off.
We go up the escalator. We exit the station.
We are back on the street. I see our hotel.
We go to the luggage room. We give the man our ticket.
He brings our bags.
I'm so happy to see my suitcase.
What a day, Kevin. You did everything.
I asked for directions, took a bus, saw Big Ben, rode the London Eye, ate fish and chips, and survived the tube.
You are a real traveler now.
I feel very confident. London is not so scary.
Let's review the vocabulary for our listeners.
Let's do it.
Pavement.
The sidewalk.
Go straight on.
Walk forward, do not turn.
Queue.
A line of people waiting.
Double-decker bus.
The famous red bus with 2 floors.
Oyster card.
The travel card for London.
Sightseeing.
Visiting famous places as a tourist.
Chips.
Thick fried potatoes.
The tube.
The London Underground train.
Mind the gap.
Be careful of the space.
And the most important phrase?
Excuse me, could you help me?
Perfect.
Now, Emma, we have our bags, we saw the sights.
But we forgot one thing.
What?
We promised to bring gifts for our family.
Oh no, souvenirs! I need to buy a magnet for my mom and a t-shirt for my brother.
And maybe go shopping for some British clothes.
Yes, I want to go to a big department store.
So, what is our next video? Our next video will be shopping for clothes and souvenirs.
Awesome, I love shopping. I want to learn how to ask for a discount.
We'll learn sizes, colors, fitting rooms, and prices.
But first, question of the day.
We want to hear from you. If you visited London, what is the one place you want to see?
Is it Big Ben?
Is it the London Eye?
Is it Harry Potter World?
Or maybe just a good pub?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you so much for exploring London with us.
Please like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe to join our family.
See you at the shops.
Goodbye, everyone.